Good morning, everybody. You're welcome to another video. On this video, I will be showing you how to create a basic website or a portfolio for your business or product, just to showcase your business or product. On this video, all we will be using will be free. We're going to use WordPress, Elementor, and essential add-ons. So all these plugins are free. If you're just joining me for the first time, our previous video we've talked about domain and hosting. We've also had a previous video on cPanel and WordPress. I would advise you you watch those two videos before watching this one. Okay, let's start now. This is the client area. If you've purchased a service, you can see service. If you've purchased domain, it shows here. This is your client area. Usually you use this to manage your hosting plan, any product you have, your domains, and that's all. Then if you want to go to your WordPress site, you go to your website and just put /wp-admin. This will take you to your WordPress page. We've recently installed WordPress through Softaculous, so we've done that already. I won't be doing that on this video, so I'll just be going straight to the point. The first thing you will do here is to install a theme. This is the back end of your WordPress. So this is how the back end of your WordPress will look if you follow the previous video to install your WordPress. So first thing we do here is to install a theme. Go to appearance and choose themes. Most of the videos I'll be showing you here will be very technical a bit. Why I said technical is that WordPress, you can use themes, free themes, whatever you want to build, but I'm going to show you how to do it from scratch, no code. Okay, just add a new theme. On this search box, you will search for Hello Elementor. Yeah, this is it already. Just install it. Hello Elementor is a theme that works with the Elementor plugin. Elementor plugin is the page builder we'll be using for this video. Currently, after installing it, you see install Elementor. This is not actually the proper procedure for installing themes. I'll show you how to do that. It just popped up anyway. It was a notification. Anyway, to install Elementor theme, you're going to go to add new theme on this menu here. Then that is the plugin. Then you search for Elementor. When you search for Elementor, it shows. Now this is it. We've already installed. If you've not installed, it's going to show like this: install and activate. But for now, we'll add essential add-ons, just a little help, so we can create a sticky video. So it says install activated. So we'll activate now. Okay, both are installed. All right. Now you know how to install plugins and themes. So let's start another thing I like to do is to upload my media, but I'm going to leave that. So next thing we'll do now, we create pages, because currently now we've created we've installed the theme, we've installed the plugin, and we've installed additional plugin, essential add-ons. Essential add-ons are just plugins that will work with Elementor. It's just like having a space jet with multiple engines. So we've installed essential add-ons now. So the next thing we'll do, we need to create pages. All page. The first page we'll create will be our home page. Okay, we are the create page menu. So we'll go to add title. So I will just call it the name of the site, which is TDS. Let's just say Tech Design Studio. Yeah, I think Tech Design Studio. Then TDS Tech Hub. Call it that. Let's call it that. That will be the name of our web design studio. Sorry, I didn't tell you earlier on. The title of the site we'll be building will just be a simple web design studio. If you're a freelancer or you do web design, I think this video will help you very much. You just build a basic website to just showcase yourself, your products, your profile, or whatever you choose. So that's it. You can leave this next box empty. It's your slug. A slug is a message that will show you here if you type URL. Just the additional message here is a slug. So leave that one like that. So we just save, publish. So we've created this page now. So let's okay, not yet. Don't want to activate the Elementor yet. All right, we are at the dashboard now. Let's create another page. We add another page. That will be the contact page. Yeah, we'll just put down as contact. You can leave this empty as usual. Auto generates it. Okay, the contact page has been created. So okay, our contact page is live now. So let's just go back to the dashboard. So we start now. We create a menu. Yeah, I think that's the next thing we should do. We should create a menu. Come to appearance here, create menu. Here in appearance, create menu. This menu is what we use for our header and our footer. Menu name, let me just call it home. That's all. Create menu. So it's activated. So we want to put two pages: the contact form and the tech hub. We can put here contacts and support. Most clients always like seeing support. If they come to your site, they don't see support. It looks somehow. It looks like you're not serious. All right, we have contact and support. They both mean the same thing. Contact me, you get support. So that's it for the menu. So let's open the pages one by one. So we have this is a sample page and a policy page. They come by default, but we won't be needing any of these two. We can just go to bulk action here, move to trash. All right, we just only need these two. Let's start with the TDS Tech Hub. So this TDS Tech Hub will be the name of the tech company. The tech company is to build websites for clients. It's going to be a small private company that builds websites for clients. All right. Now the Elementor home page is loading. Here we are going to first build the header and the footer before we build other page layouts. Okay, here this is what is showing. It's showing the name of the company and my blog. This is the default page that shows. I can show you here. If I go to irabot. Oh, sorry, too fast. Irabot.net. All right, see irabot.net. This is the home page that is showing here. So of course we don't need all this text. So we are going to change all this right away. So here is the Elementor page, and the first thing we want to look at is our page layer and container. All right, this is the general settings. You come to the general settings, you hide the title. That's what I want to hide. That's it. You hide the title, then you change the page default layout. The page default layout is on this is it. Page default layout is on default. We choose Elementor canvas. So we are using the full features of Elementor right now. So this is it, and there you have it. So I will just add new containers here. Containers are this box. Whatever this box is a container. I can decide to duplicate containers. These are them. Or I decide to change the type of container I have, then put something like this. I will make this video very simple, and I will try to make it shorter. This box we are looking at here, they are called containers in Elementor. This is the Elementor page builder in Vue, and these are containers. You have to be very dynamic in building your containers. If you watch upcoming websites now, they are very, very accurate in shape. So if you don't build a proper container, you might have a broken website. So here we want to build just two containers, I think. One for the logo and one for the menu. So we're going to start by the logo. I don't have a current logo now, but I think making logo shouldn't be a very big deal. People should not rob you off for making logo. Logo comes with ideas, and if you have a page builder like this, I prefer you do everything here so it's easily accessible. You have all your data, all your settings in one place. You don't have to be installing any third-party software. All right. The name of the company is still going to be TDS. Yeah, TDS. So that's it. So that is the logo we are going to create. This is the container. See me adjusting the container to size. This is the best way to move it. You come to layout. You see the band, the width. You move the container like this. Then you centralize it. Here is to justify content. Is to put it in the center. You can see it's in the center. Then we need to add the menu. And just go to this is the Elementor menu search where you get your widgets, all these add-ons you can add, your page builders. So currently now we want to add a menu. Just search menu here. Menu. As you can see, some are locked, which is for the pro version of Elementor. My more videos I'll be doing, I'll be using the pro version, and I'll be showing you how to use WooCommerce, plugin, and a lot. So, but for now, we'll just use the free version. So let's choose this simple menu by Essential Add-ons. So this is the menu. You can see it has the TDS Tech Hub here and the contact support. So right now, let me see. Okay, right now it shows this way. So what we want to do, we want to make it black and make it a background. Before we go ahead on this, I would like to show you something which might be necessary to use as a web developer. So I'll just updating you save your settings. This menu, this is the main menu for the Elementor page builder content, but we are going to the back end of this Elementor page builder, which is here. You come to site settings. What I'm actually after now is the typography, the color, and what else again? Yeah, the typography, the color, and so much. So here we go to the typography. Typography is your website text content. So here is the body, the small ones I'll be writing. So I'll just choose black, and let me choose Roboto. This is going to be a default settings you can use all over your site. Roboto. Let me still choose this. Then I'll choose 14. 14 looks fine. Then for the link, I'm going to come back to change the link color. We've not chosen a color for our theme. Let me see the link. Yeah, I'll put the same typography for the link. Roboto, yeah. So yeah, this is fine. Then your H1 and color and settings. We might really don't use all these, but I just want you to know. Roboto H1 is going to be the header. There is the intro message. Let me just leave it at 75. Okay, that's all now. So we've had a default settings here for our website, and which we'll be using. So we're going to go back now and go and use Elementor page builder to continue the header and the footer, and I will add the colors and any other thing I want. All right, let's continue the video. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to change the text color and choose our font. I kind of like this blue I'm looking here that came by default. I might use something similar. Let me just choose this blue color. I have it already on my. You can choose here. You can choose any color you want, but I think I'll go with that blue color. I like it. It's fine. Looks techy. So let me still leave this the way it is. Yeah, we've set this already. Then we'll go to update. Now let's go back to the front side of the Elementor plugin. So we just cancel here. We're still in the front end design. You know, the front end design, the plugin, we have two sections, the settings and the direct page. All right, this is it. The TDS, let's just change the blue color to this color. Yeah. I think I would like a border around it, the edges, you know. It's still the logo. You know, like I said, logo is something, once it's done easy and simple, it's nice. This is the border width. If you can see, when which I was changing it is increasing. That's the border width, the line around it. Let me show you. You can see the line. So let's just take 2. I think 2 is fine. Then let's take it. Let's make it edgy. 5 is okay. But if you notice, the T touches the boundary and like that. So I want to change the layout. You just come to advanced. You see the layout, the padding. You can choose maybe 5. Yeah, 5. Balance it. Yes, I think that's okay. All right, that's okay for it. But if you have a logo, you can just come see here and type logo. You can see your site logo is there by default, but it's on the paid version. Or now for if you're not running the pro version, you're running the free version like this video, just click an image and drop, then upload your logo here, then select it on your media files. Your logo will show right up there. As simple as that. All right. So yeah. So now we want to work on the menu. I want the menu to just be 2 blank text. I don't like this looking up. So just come click on the menu. This is the edit icon. Now the background, choose white. And then the top level, the text, we choose black. Then the hover, we choose our brand color. So when it hovers, it shows the purple brand color. Oops, for the background, we still take white. You know, the background is the color of hover. You can see it changes when I change this color. Let's just take white. Then active is when it's on. If it's on the home page, it shows this color. If it's on the contact page, it shows this color. So let's take this as active color. Yeah, no background. Then we center this. Remove this image. Yeah, they're both centered. All right. As you can see, we have the TDS Tech Hub and the contact support text both up. So the next thing we will do, each time we create a header, a footer, we try and make it mobile friendly. Anything we create on this side, you make it responsive. Mobile friendly websites are responsive websites. What I mean is that if you have a tablet, come and click here, you see this is how it's going to show on the tablet, and this guy is how it's going to show on the mobile phone. So for the tablet, I will arrange this now. Let me see. Yeah, the full width. We will sell this. This is the page container for this and page container for this. But for the page container for this, you can see each time I drag this, it moves. So we just set it according to the way we want it. I think I'll take 200 or 100 or maybe 80 is fine. Or 90. Yeah, 90 is fine. Then for this, I think I'll just go with whatever it gives me here. Let me just send it to the end. Yeah, that's fine. Then let's change the color of this. This black, that's the background. At the top, yeah, hamburger menu. This is called a hamburger menu. If you look at it, you see 3 dots here. It signifies a burger. So that's the hamburger menu. So let's change the background color to our brand color. Yeah, that's it. So when you click on it, you see what shows. It shows the TDS Tech Hub and the contact support. So this hover color, I like to change it. You can just change it to black. Yeah, just the way it is. So it's called drop down menu. This is the drop down menu. You have the background color here on the drop down menu. Okay, drop down item. No, this is the pointing. Okay, still stay on the hamburger menu. Oh, okay, this is it here. These are the hamburger menu, the items, the text. You can choose to have a white. I think I like. No, it's going to be too colorful. Let's just choose the black text, then a white background. Then a hover, we choose our brand color for the hover. Then the active, we also choose the brand color for the active. So I think that is that. We'll sort that out. Look at our find menu. Yeah, we have it here. Still like to go with a background color, or let's put a borderline around it so it signifies, oh, we are the side. Yeah. So let's put a background color. I think I prefer a background color. Yeah, I prefer background color than the default. Let me see. Yeah. I think I prefer background color. Let me see. Choose this. Yeah, I think I prefer background color and white. Then why the hover might be black. Yes, then the active will be black. I think this is better. It's a tech hub. I want it to look, techy a bit. So that's okay. Now we go to the mobile view. You can see the mobile view showing this way. Let me bring this down a little. This can be 50 or more. Yeah, we're using the canvas version, so it's this full HD, so we can stretch to the length we desire. On the next video, I'll be showing you how to do this website we are doing completely different. This is designed this way because it's free. We're using the free version. So we have to, if you're in Rome, you behave like Romans. So usually Elementor have its own process and procedures. But for the sake of those people that won't be able to purchase the paid pro version, they can also use this as well. Okay. Okay. So we have it set now. You can see shows are properly now. Just to arrange this a little. Can go a little here. All right. Okay, this is TDS and this is the menu, Tech Hub and support. You can add more menu if you want, but for now, just leave this like this. You can always add more menu if you want. You can add more menu if you want. Anything you want to do, you can do more. I'm just showing you the basics. So we click update. Now the header is ready. Now we have to do the footer. We do it on the same page, which is the home page. On my next videos on the pro version of this training, I will show you how to separate all this. You don't need to do it on one page. So yeah, we just make this, we duplicate this here. We don't need this menu on the footer. We don't need this. We don't need that. We just need to come and design our own footer. Okay, so let's shift this a little. Let's put a text here. I think a text should be a written text here, something to. So for some reason, I don't know why that thing was dancing like that. Okay. Sometimes can get small glitches, but all right. This is the text now. Yeah, we have the text properly lined up now. This is the way it's supposed to be. Don't know why it was showing like that before. Anyway, let's reduce this and let's write something here. We can say tech style. Yeah, textile design. Yeah, textile design service. The tech. Okay, let's do TSD. Text style design. TSD, not TDS. textile design. Textile design, yeah. Agency. That's textile design agency that would um, take your brand to another level with simple and accurate web design. Simple and accurate designs. Okay, I think that's okay. Nothing much. For the text color, we use black. Let's change this to black. It's just the general color, but I think black is fine on this. All right. Let me shift this more so that we have it as one single text. Okay. Then we duplicate this. We put our contact email here. Contact email. Let's do support at irable.net. All right. That's done for our contact email. Yeah, I'm bold that. So that's our contact email. Then what else do we need here? We need to create some menus. So I will call it links. Some simple link menu. And I think a social page, a social account to. On the social account, maybe I can just link it to the company social account, which is web message. By the way, onlinedeveloper.net is a product of web message hosting. It's a training site for web message hosting. So okay, now we have to just create the links. So I think I will take this, then I'll put here links on capital, like on caps. Then do this, then black. Yeah, then reduce the font size. Don't want it too big or too small. I think 20 will be fine. Get two of these, then put here, then put social. Socials. Don't mind me, my keyboard is so small. Okay, yeah, yes, socials. So that's it. We push the link up. Then here we are going to add the accurate, should I say, link pages. We're going to add a link page here. So just a link text. So here we get a heading text. Let's increase the font to maybe 16 is fine. Then we choose our brand color for this. No need for over or anything. Let's just take our brand color for this. Yeah. Then the links, that's the link. Then we change the color. Now here we can just put web design agency. Web design agency. Yeah, web design agency. Then we link it to the home page. Let me copy this here. We can just link this to the home page. Then after linking to the home page, then we duplicate. We need to change this to email. Yeah, most clients, they like to see email support directly link, or some want a contact. Just put contact us. Yeah. Then on this other side, we choose our social pages. Yeah. Choose on the menu of Elementor. Let's say you are all right. What I was just explaining just now, sorry for the break, is actually if you make a mistake while working on your page builder. Let's say I duplicated this purposely, or I needed it for another content, another content to start with or use for my design, and I don't want it anymore. So just basically you have to go down to history and click text editor. You can see the changes I was making. You can roll back changes to the exact point where you want it to be if it's a mistake. That's what I wanted to say. Well, anyway, so we've done the header and the footer. So now it's just to add the social links. Thank you. We'll add the social links here. This will be the social links. Let's call this LinkedIn. Then we duplicate. Then we put Facebook. Then duplicate the last one. We are going to add LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Yeah, I think that's okay. This will delete. You don't need to. Okay. Now our footer looks good. Now I think we have to style the footer a little. We don't want it too close to our homepage. So I think the simplest way to do this, let's draw a border at style on the container settings. Go to solid, zero this. Then while you have the top bar, you can increase this to 2 or maybe 5. Let's see what 5 shows. Let's put the brand color here. Oops, that's a not more the brand color on the copy. This is the brand color. Your container menu once more. We on top, we click the color. So this is it. It looks very thick. A very thick line. Let's do 3. Let me see 3. Oh yeah, 3 looks fine. Yeah, I want to give more gap on the settings there. Then I will now go to the padding. Padding is where you can have. I can show you an example. Padding wraps it up. Either it wraps it together, or it can expand it. That's when you move all. But for now, we are not moving all. We just only want up and down. So we put this to 50. I think 50 or 100. Then put it down to maybe 20. Yeah, this fine. This looks fine to me. Okay. Then we check the mobile view. That's the tab view. We have to set this now. This is for the tab view. Okay. Then yeah. What is the last link? Okay, guys, yeah. This is for the second one. Okay, I think that is done. Let's see how it looks. Okay, we have our links and socials accurately done. Let me reduce the size of this text. Doesn't look too good on that side. I think I'll go with 16. 16 is the headers text. Let me see here to 16. All right, we've changed the text size and the front to 16. So this is it. Then the mobile view, we have to set the mobile view. Let me do. I think I like dragging this myself. Kind of close. I don't think I want that. Yeah, I want it. Yeah, it's okay like this. We have the mobile view. Yeah, okay. We have the mobile view, the links. Let's give small height here. Go to paddings, make like 50. Then go to paddings again, 50. We have height there. We can decide to center this if we want, to make it look a little bit nice. Let me just go to the container settings once more. Okay. Now on these settings, click here. Click the left. Let's shift it a little. 10. Click on the left icon again on the Margins are things outside the box, not inside the box. Paddings are what is inside the box, while margin are lines outside the box. All right, we have this now done on our mobile. So for some reason our header has changed, but I'll correct it now. Don't know why it changed, but yeah. Okay, so now we have our header and our footer accurately done on the TDS Tech Hub. All right, now we've known how to do this. We can build our header and our footer easily. So the next thing to do now, we have to create a container. Always remember to save while you're working. So we create a container inside. This container is an intro to our website. That will be the first thing your customers see when they come to your website. So here I'm going to create a double view window, then start with the background of the container. Let me put the brand color there. Yeah, I think I like that. Then I'll give it spacing, mostly from the footer. Let me just say bottom, we start with 100 on bottom. Then top will be fine. Top is fine. Then on the TSD, on the TSD Tech Hub, we are going to put our image. Image. So we just put, for images you use on your website. There's so many free websites that gives images. I personally like this website called Icon 8. If you search very well, you get recent designs and upgrades. A lot of people are not talking about this website, but I bet you so many developers come here to take the best view and free stock photos. Like as you can see, this one doesn't even have backgrounds. They will come out very fine on your website. You can see this type. You can even see this. So a face generator. So all right. Now we go on maybe one of the illustrations here. For this I was already okay. Yeah, I see it. I've seen a style I would like to use. Just check around. You get styles. Currently for this video I've downloaded about 3 text files. I'll be doing that. But anyone you want, anyone you like this free shipping, just come to it. The website is completely free. You can download instantly, but you download on a low resolution. Like see, downloading this file now. You can see it's downloaded. As you can see, it's downloaded. I can open it to show you. This is it. But won't be downloading any of them now. We already have our file. We'll leave that and use our file. So we go to image. Can we type what you need on the box? Image. We'll put the image here. So we don't have an image here on our library. We go to media library. Then we upload files. Maybe this is the image. We'll upload these 3 images we'll be using. So the first image I'll be using here is the New Year's sales developers picture. This actually shows there's a festive period currently, which is the Ember month, December. So at least you can use this image from now to January. But although you can change it after January anyway, it's very easy to change. Just the same pattern you're putting, you put a new one. All right, let's make the image 100%. As you can see, the image is a free version. It's not so crispy and clear, but I like it. It's going to work anyway. So let's write a text introducing our company at the side. It's going to be TSD Tech Hub. Yeah, TSD Tech Hub. Let's put the trademark icon. Let me put a trademark symbol. Mark TM symbol. Yeah, it was the trademark symbol. Okay. I just want this. Correct. Okay. Yeah, I'll have a trademark symbol now. The next thing we'll do is to add it with our name at the side, just to make it look authentic and techy. So we go to the full. We make it. Let me just choose. We change this text size. I think I like 72. Yeah, I'll just make it. Yeah, change the text size and still too big a little. 60 will be fine. Then we centralize everything. We like to center everything. Always good to center everything. Makes your work tidy and neat. Then we put a text right up here. We put it right up here. Okay, like I said, we'll drop the text there. You can just drop in any text you want and write. I've dropped one there already. So now let's edit. I already had a write-up I had copied earlier on. Let me just delete some of the content and use some of them. You can put anything you want, just to save time a little. So this is it. Yeah, so that's all. So let's change the text to white. Then the bold size, let's make it a little bit more bold. I think let's choose 20. 20 is fine. So it's looking better now. Yeah, I think. This text, I would like to take it a bit lower. Let me just say bottom of 20. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'll do the top of 20. Yeah, this will be fair. 50. Okay, yes, better. So now we have the TDS Tech Hub. Our team of talented designers and developers are the art behind blah blah. So yeah, that's just for it now. So let's check how mobile friendly this what we've created is. Yeah, it goes well with your tab. So let's reduce the font size of this. Let's choose 40. Then for the text, we'll reduce the font size also. Let's choose 16. Or should I say 14? Yeah, 14 is fine. Let's expand this a little. Let's go on 20 and 20. Yeah, this should be 50. Okay, perfect now. This is for the tab and mobile view. So let's check. That's for the tab view. So let's check the mobile view. That's for the mobile phone. Okay, it looks perfect here too. So we go to the next section we have to create now. This section is meant to be an intro section, like your video or anything that describes your product. So I'll be duplicate. You can duplicate a container. After setting, you duplicate the settings. As you can see, this is like an art now, so we can use this all over our website. Even if we change content, it still looks accurate. So now we delete one side and just leave one side. Here we make it full width. That should be 100%. Think, yeah. So yeah, we don't need this anymore. We now need a video. Yeah, I would like to introduce sticky videos to you. Sticky videos are videos you use on your website. When scrolling, you can see them play in different angles. I'll show you right now. This is a sticky video. When you type sticky video, it's by Essential Add-ons. So this is it, the sticky video. So it's asking for a video link. You can put any YouTube video link you want. I already have mine here, so I think I'll just put mine. Yeah, this is the video link of mine. Yes. So now I want us to remove the background color. Then I would like to reduce the exact video. Although I want to make some changes to this video. You can see these settings. Go to the edit sticker video. You can change the you can change the player. It has you can change the video. Yeah, video. Yeah, you can change the autoplay. You can set in autoplay. You can mute it if you want. Then you can loop. You can leave the address, show address bar, show bar. So I can remove the show bar. I don't like the show bar. You must not necessarily see the fast forward or anything. Then I would like to reduce this content. You go to the container. This is the particular container for this YouTube video inside. So here you can do work on the padding. The padding is to reduce the container. You can do 50 all around. Let's see. Let me check if this is where it's boxed. Okay, yeah, that is the padding. All right, as you can see, it's cool like that. Yeah, this footer, I want to make it boxed also. You can make every widget boxed or full widget, but I think for this video we'll leave everything boxed. So all right, that's boxed. So you can see the video is playing. I think we have to still reduce the size. Let's reduce the size of the video. Yeah, you can change it at, yeah, you can change the height to 100. Yeah, I think the height changes everything. Yeah. All right. Well, we can leave it like that for now. Don't want to stress much on that. Don't really use sticky videos anyway, just for this video. Okay, so we have a video showing our product. You can put any video here. It can be an intro video of your product. So after that, let's create one more. Let's create one more. Should I say uh just one more explanatory container just to see show our product. Yeah, let us create one more explanatory corner that shows our product, like what we do. You know, if you have a service you render, you should be able to explain your service. Okay, as you can see this sticky video, so when I scroll down, you see it come to the ground here. You can actually choose where you want it to be at the style. In the style layout, you can choose the layout you want it to be, anyhow you want it to be, you know. Oh, sorry, this is actually for the page I was working on earlier on. Apologies on that. All right, for the sticky video, this is it. You can actually choose the layout you want. This is it here. If you want it to be sticky, you on or you off. So once it's sticky, you can choose the part of the page you want it. At the top right, you can see where it's going to show next. Now it's going to be here. So on the bottom left is here. On the bottom right, which is where I want it to be, is there. All right. You can see the height we were setting earlier on was for the sticky video. Apologies on that. You can see we've gotten a more settings for it. We can make it big here. So the settings is only for the sticky videos. You can make it this big so you can see your content accurately. So that's done for the sticky video. So let's check if it's mobile friendly. Yeah, we have it on the tab. Let me reduce the height. Don't think it's necessary. Don't put anything here. Yeah, then for this, let's take the button off. Then for this container, we take let me see what's here. Okay, yeah, the settings also affected this. Okay, let's do 20 round. Then for bottom, we do none for bottom. Yeah, or we still do 20 for bottom, or let's do 50 for bottom. Looks too tight. In the top 50 also, yeah, better. Then for this now, we are going to change the layout of this to another design of our choice. I think we are going to do a web and app design. So let's change the image first of all. We choose another image. Like I said, if you don't have your image here, you go to upload, you go to select files, you go to your desktop, wherever you have it in your computer, and select it. Then it comes to your library. But for now, we'll be using this image. This illustration shows that at least it's explaining if you have a website with us or you build a website with us, you have growth, you have success on your website design. So let's type web and app designs. All right, web and app designs. I think I like that. Web and app designs. I would like to put a small text on this. Okay, well, I'll put a small text on this. Yes, I would like to put a small text on this, on both of them. The text is just like a fashion text, like more or less like what we do. Let's put it that way. So this is what we do here. I'm going to take away. I'm going to put our brand color. This is our brand color here. I'll be removing this also. It's going to have a white background. So yeah, this is going to be black, the first text, and this our brand color is going to be our color. So you can see here, you can edit the color and change the text size. Let me choose yeah, this doesn't need to be bold. This needs to just be like a regular text. Yeah, let me choose 16. Must it be caps? Small letter is fine. Oh, I think let me bold it. Let me bold it to be 16. Yeah, let me bold it. Then this goes on top. Yes. Basically, yeah. So now let's get more write-ups for the web design part. I think I'll just write this here. Let me just get an imaginary thought now and write something that will be more fantastic, I guess, instead of copying and pasting. All right, let's say in a world, yeah, where digital landscapes evolve, where digital landscape um evolve, yeah, we ensure your website, yeah, you ensure my website, yeah, we ensure your website um remains not just relevant. I'm just taking this off hard, sorry, but ahead of the curve. Yeah, the curve. Responsive design is at the core of what we do, ensuring seamless experience. Okay, that is done. Yeah, we can just autocorrect all these typing errors. Sorry about that. Just autocorrect them. Yes, involve we ensure. Yeah, so the text is currently white. Let's just make it black. Yeah, we've done that already. Yeah, we have a black text and we have it on the mobile side. Let's check the desktop side. Oh, yeah. Okay, better on the desktop side. Let's see. Yeah, just that. It's okay. How do you see the site now? It's looking all good. Let's reduce this image. You can always take whenever you put an image, make sure you change the image size to full. Yeah. So after doing that, what we do, let me reduce the text to 16 or 18 or 20. 20. Okay. Yes, we take the what we do text and no, we leave this like that. All right. Yeah. Let's check the mobile part of that. Yes, it looks okay. Let's just get some more gap up here. I think to make it more friendly. Yeah, that'll be more better. Take this one to check the top. Please, if my video is too fast, you might want to slow it down for your view. Maybe you pause and you fast forward. Yeah. Okay, the padding is 20. Then let me shift this. I don't like the ways at the other side. Yeah, this should be okay. Okay. Yes. All right. We have it now. Yes, almost ready. Okay. Let's this height, I want to work on it. I want to make it, yeah, something like that, 50-50. While the down container box, the top, I'm going to make it 50 also. Yeah, then the bottom we'll leave it as 20 as it was earlier on. All right, that is done for this now. As you can see, the website is looking nice already. You have your header. This is a content on your homepage, a video, and just a little illustration and a contact form. So now let's build the real contact form and page. Now, we save this first. After saving it, we go back to our WordPress menu. So we go back to pages and we see the contact. We know we created a contact form earlier on. So we click on edit. Yeah, click on open with Elementor. Yeah, so after opening the Elementor, this is what we have. We're going to change all this. We go to settings. Each time you open a new page, you need to work on this. You hide the title, you change the layout to Elementor canvas. Pardon me. Change it to Elementor canvas full width. Yeah, so that's all. So now we are going to take the header we created from here and paste here. Then we take the footer we created also and paste here. So we have our header and footer for this page. Then we can just take a content section. Now we take a content section and put it here. So this content section now, we are going to use it to work on the contact form. Remember what I told you, what I said earlier on. If you can build a container, you already have a structured layout of your website, so you can use it anywhere and copy and paste, and it's going to give you the exact value. So yeah, I'm going to put sorry on that. Yeah, I'm going to put contact a real developer. A real developer. Yeah, contact a real developer. It's going to be our, then I'll put email us here. Just email us up on our this thing. What else? So we can just put a small write-up here, like reaching hours and the rest. You can see I'm going backwards. Yeah, we can put a read in a hour here, like time opening time, I think, or we just write our team will reach out to you in the next 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes is fine. In the next 10 minutes, yeah, please fill our contact form and thank you for choosing us. Yeah, that's all. So yeah, I'll just correct that. You can install Grammarly on your browser. Grammarly is a free speech. It corrects your speech free. You can see it. Grammarly. Yeah, I think I just Google Grammarly. Yeah, Grammarly is a typing assistant. You know, you can install this on your browser. Just follow the prompt. You can do add-ons. Those are add-ons you had by your browser. On our next video, I'm going to be showing you how to put special add-ons on your browser. You can use to detect the color of anything and the image and anything you want. You can even use it to duplicate any site you want to duplicate. But for now, this free video, we'll just be working on this only. Not to worry, if you are following this video and you like the video, if you are watching from YouTube or you are watching from the course website, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you. All right, now we've put our contact here. Let me reduce this image. No, let me change the image. This image was what we used for our, yeah, let me put this. This is my contact image. Yeah, that's good. So let me reduce the image a little. All right. Yeah, we have it now. Contact a real developer here. So we'll leave this just like this. Then we duplicate this because the next thing we are going to do now is to include our contact form. Building a contact form is very easy on WordPress. Let me just get our theme color here and clear the avenue for the contact form. Delete all this. We make our contact form a single box because, yeah, just a single box. This is going to be a full width, but a boxed, yeah, single box contact form. Let's put the background color to be our brand color. So we'll leave this like this for now. Yeah, another thing we can do is to create links. I don't know if we've done that. Oh yeah, we've done this. Oops, we didn't create these 3 links. All right, to email support, we just put contact. That was the page we created. Contact. Yeah. Then for the LinkedIn and Facebook, let's go to web message and click contact. I don't know if it's contact, but let's just check it. Okay, this is the web message official website. We go to contacts. Here I just want to collect the LinkedIn contacts. Yeah, the LinkedIn. The LinkedIn link here. That's for the LinkedIn. We open on a new browser. Then we collect the link for Facebook. Copy and share. We open on a new browser also. Here I'll be putting YouTube. YouTube. Our free videos is going to be on YouTube, while the paid videos will be on Vimeo. So sorry, we can't give everything for free because we spend time and money doing this video. For the paid videos, we actually bought real plugins just to do the video for you. So we're so sorry we can't give you the videos free. But if you want anything free like assistance, maybe you can still reach out to me on this support email. I might still be of assistance to you. But for building a website with this basic knowledge you are getting here, you should be able to start building your website. Although you can check more on YouTube if you will see more free videos to add. But I always recommend, since especially if you are from Africa and you want to start a business or a web developing agency, it's better you use all these type of local videos because we are going to be showing you how easy it is. Like on my next video, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to use Paystack, PayPal, and you get a PayPal account even if you're in Africa. So Nigeria also you get a PayPal account. So that's all. So for YouTube, let's click the YouTube link. Let me copy the YouTube link one more time. Okay, that's the YouTube link. We're going to put it on a new page. So we've set the link. So I think I'll copy this particular menu to replace the one on the home page because we worked on it. All right. Then we save. Like I told you, always remember to save. On web message, you can see all through building this video, we have zeros downtime on our server. Our servers are international servers. We connect to international servers: Poland, Netherlands, Europe, China, America. We have servers everywhere in Nigeria also and in Africa. So your website definitely will be running fast. And we use Lightspeed server and SSD RAID 10. SSD storage stands for solid state drive RAID 10. So your data are going to be encrypted and they are going to be safer. All right. So now we've done this part. We have to go to our menu, our back end of our WordPress. We need to create a contact form. Yeah, we'll create a contact form. So we'll go to plugins. We are going to add a new plugin, and this plugin is called WP forms. I think forms. Sorry for my little lagging. I think building WordPress, using WordPress through this method I'm showing you guys is not actually the standard way, but it's the free way. You know, whatever you do that is free always it's not always the standard way anyway. But I've tried to give you the exact and easy way to do this free if you follow these videos. All right, after installing, you activate. After activating, all you see is welcome. Yeah, you see this welcome message. All right, just go and click on the plugin, then add new. Click on add new. It's going to ask you to build a form. This why I like WP form builder. It has its own forms already, so you don't need to go from scratch. But if you want me to go from scratch to build this, I can do it maybe on my next video, or you write a comment on anywhere on this lecture, like on the review. I'll show you how to do it from scratch. Although on my next video, we're going to be building forms, payment forms, and the rest with Paystack. All right, let's use this simple contact form. It's going to load it and it's going to insert it into our team so we can look it up from the contact page. As you can see, it's added and it's still yeah, it's still loading. Yeah, I think it's all done. Yeah. Okay. It wants to help us, but no need for this. Let's just save. Yeah, we saved. Then we close this. All right, the simple form has been created. This is it here. This is the short code. My next video I'll also show you how to use shortcodes. But for now, you don't need shortcodes on this free video. All right, yeah, we put the form. So to get our form, let's just refresh this so that whatever was saved in the team can come up here. So, all right, let it load. All right, here we just look up for the form. We're going to type WP forms. Yeah, this is it. We click it, we put it here. It's telling us to select a form. Now the simple contact form we just created, this is it. Currently here you can edit this whatever you like. I won't do much editing here, so I'll just leave everything as it is. Let's just say the text color, I'll make it just black, like black for text colors. Okay, the labeled side, yeah, let me see everything. Yeah, the sub menu here, black still. Then that red, I don't like the red. The arrow should be white. Yeah, the button style, which is very important. Your button style is always important. We've actually not had a button style, but I'll make the background white and the text black. Yeah, that's it. Button style is okay. All right, this is just a simple contact form that will work for us. Yeah, let's save it. And that is that. All right, let's check the size of the matching design. Yeah, let's move this up a little. We don't need this. Yeah, we'll put that at 20 also. Yeah, we don't. Yeah, this, we need to reduce this height. Yes, that's it. Okay, yeah, we'll solve that now. All right. Yeah, so this is it now. The button still change. Don't know why it changed. Yeah, it's going to change back anyway once the site is fully loaded. Yeah, I think so. It's going to change back anyway. Yeah, it's going to change. I told you. Okay, yeah, that is that. Let me see. Okay. Have to be careful not to go outside the line of the design. Yeah, outside the line of the design itself. Let me just swipe back to save time. Like I told you, once you make a error, you can always shift back to make time. All right, this is it. So now we have our contact page added and everything looks fine. Let's test it to see if it works. Let's save. Usually the way the contact form work, your registration email you use to register your WordPress, which I used from the beginning to install the WordPress is where you get your email from your clients. All right, let's just open the website on a random web page. This home bar is showing here. All right, there's something I noticed here. We don't have our home page on what we design. We have it on this. So to change this, it's very easy. We need to create a static home page. Just click on customize. After clicking on customize, you go down to home page settings. Here you create a static home page. Then you choose the one you want. Let's choose the it's supposed to be TSD. I'll change it to TSD. It's TSD Tech Hub. So that's the home page. Yeah, so that's the settings. So now this is the home page. Now let me change this TSD instead of TDS instead of TSD. Okay, so we change it. Here's the settings of the page. We can change anything. You can set register membership. On my next video, I'll be showing you how to do all those things. Yeah. So yeah, that's all. Yeah, you save. Then you go back to the site, so you can see the site is fully created and it's working. So let's check the support. Now let's say we are a random person. We come here, we type my name is James. Yeah, James Walker. Yeah. So I'll go on. Let's just use let me use a random email, ictspeed@gmail.com. All right. So any comment you want to write here, you can write I need a website. That's the clients coming to your website. You can see the contact form is working. As you can see, it says thank you for contacting us. We'll be with you shortly. So all you need to do is to go back to your client area, services. Then it signed me out. Sorry about that. Services. Then you have your package. Then you log in your cPanel. Here you can log in your cPanel account. So when you log in your cPanel account here, you can choose your email accounts. So the email account we just created is the one that is sending mail to, which is support@irabo.net. So here when you click on it, it loads your email account and it takes you to Roundcube. Yeah, Roundcube is the mailbox you use. See the new entry simple contact form. We can change this later, but let's just leave that now. As you can see, James Walker, ICT Speed, Nigeria. I need a website. So let's go back to the website and just take a quick preview of what we've learned so far. So on this video, we've learned how to create a home menu, which is this, and a container containing your product. Here you can put anything. You can decide to put images only. That's if you are a designer or maybe you have an art gallery or anything. It's there in the Elementor site. You can add the widget. Here you explain. Then here we have the footer, sticker, videos, and most especially a simple contact form. Thank you very much. My name is Irabo from Web Message. I'll be seeing you on the next class.